guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and to all of my Dizzles and Roses, what's up, y'all? So as you guys can see by today's title, I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 luxury fragrances that I'm gonna grab the bad boys. Okay, so we're gonna start off with my #1 scent. I know if you a true Dozens of Rose game, I already know you already know what it is. You know what? If you are, before you watch this video, and don't cheat. Before you watch this video, go ahead and comment down below what is my favorite. I'm talking about all-time favorite, like y'all know. Y'all girl gonna have on that. She gonna have on that. That's the first thing she gonna grab for. Go ahead and comment down below and tell me what fragrance that is. This one don't even need an introduction. She's like that. Everybody know who she is. Everybody know who she is. That is my YSL Libra. Okay, as you guys can see, y'all see it. That girl don't play with her. I do not play with baby, because baby is gonna get sprayed, baby. Like, I don't know. Baby gonna get sprayed. Okay, she is going to get sprayed. Like, we're like, it's the bottle for me. Like, this is so elegant. It is so pretty. Like, I just love this here. Like, who decided to do that? And it's hanging over the side. Like, it's so cute and sleek and like beautiful. And then how we got the wrap around right here, it's pretty. Listen, this girl here, I'm gonna wear this girl morning, I'm gonna wear this girl noon, I'm gonna wear this girl at night. Okay, day, I'm walking up the street, I go to the grocery store. Like, listen, if I'm like, shit, which one I want to wear, which one I want to smell good. And to add to this, she is so longevity. Like, I swear to God, I put her on and I smell her all day. And I even, most fragrances, I feel like if my man put on a cologne, I don't smell me no more, you know. But if I put her on, she don't play. She be like, boy, move out the way. Who you think you is? Like, that's how she is. Like, listen, if you looking to be a boss or whatever, like, this is the one. Go pick her up today. Okay, so my next one that I'm going to actually be showing you guys, my second favorite is, y'all, I don't even know, y'all. Like, I'm stuck in between these two. Like, this one's so new, I can't put up. You know what? I'm gonna say this one. Listen, my Bath and Body Works Butterfly. For a matter of fact, I have a video, one video talking about this one specific perfume. Okay, I talked about her. Like, that's my girl. Like, okay, so this my Beyonce. And she could be my Kelly. Okay, she could be my Kelly. All right, but this one here, it just smells so good. Like, y'all, it just who decided to put these notes together? I can't think of what the notes are, but listen, these notes that's in here, it smells so good. It smells like a floral smell. It smells like a raspberry smell. I believe it has some vanilla in it as well. But this girl here, listen, she the ish too. All right, so number 3, like I said, she's brand new. Actually, I just made an extra video on this one, a review video on this one that will be in the cards. Okay, so go check that out as well. After you check out, you know what, just bang watch me. What? Yeah, bang watch me. That's what y'all doing. Oh my God, I keep forgetting to say subscribe and like my ish. Do that right now, cause see, I play with YouTube right now. I'm not even acting like I'm a YouTuber. Like, this is a second video. I'm not even telling y'all to subscribe and like my ish, but y'all already know this though. But y'all already know this. other video telling you guys, listen, she's a boss. Libra, Libra's the boss, I mean, but she is the rich bitch boss. Like, this smell like money. Like, they put a little hint of money in this, okay? They put a little hint of money in this. Like, let me smell her, cause see, she don't play either. Oh my god, like, ooh, like, I just want to put on some Body of a Goddess. If you don't know what Body of a Goddess is, that means that you're not a Dozen of Rose gang. You're not a part of it. Go ahead, subscribe. But Body of a Goddess is my lingerie business that is going to be coming back out pretty soon, okay? And like, this also just makes me want to put on some Body of a Goddess, spray this on, throw on my candles, drink me some wine, and just feel good and confident about myself. So yes, this is number 3 for me. Number 4, the Miss Dior. The Miss Dior. Okay, she steps and she moves. Okay, listen, Miss Dior. Ooh. Miss Dior, she steps. Okay, she don't play either. Like, she don't play, and she's longevity, baby. She's longevity. This here is a must. I feel like this needs to be in your perfume collection. It's a powdery smell with a little floral, but not a whole lot of floral, you know, but it's more powdery, and it just, she steps. She don't play, Miss Dior. Like, I actually, my boo, he had on the Savar Dior, and I never smelled it before. I never smelled it, and he had it on, and I was like, what the f you got on? You smell good. What you got on? Like, he was like, Dior, Savard. I was like, oh, and your girl got on Dior, and we Diored it that day, baby. We both stepped in the Dior, okay? Hello for the man. Oh yeah. That's the one. I always heard people rave about it, you know, but I ain't never smelled it until then when my boo had it on or whatever. But we did our thing that day, and we smelled good, both of us. And then that's the thing, I could have smelled his, and I also could have smelled mine. So Dior, she don't play. She ain't hiding, and she ain't seeking. She step. She show y'all. So that would be my number 4. Number 5. Okay, my girl. We gonna go ahead and show you the Coco, Miss Mademoiselle. Okay, her, she is so elegant. It's more of a soft one. Like, this is not the intense, and I believe that I need to go get the intense, because for me, I like a perfume that is gonna last all day. It's gonna step. It's gonna not play with y'all. It's gonna goddamn shake his booty like Beyonce. Like, I need for my perfume to step, okay? And this one, it smells so good. It smells so good. But this, when I put it on, it definitely, if someone else have on some cologne or perfume, it overpowers this. So I don't reach for this as much as you guys can do, because like I say, it's not longevity like I need it to be. But when I do reach for it, I take it along so that I can spray myself, you know, and get things back popping. So she is my number 5, and actually, was she, this is the first one I bought? Oh no, Libra was the very first perfume I bought for myself, and that was the best one. Like, but yeah, but I do love this bottle. This would be a prime example of a bottle that I would do for my perfume line. So she wins also. All right, you guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed my video yet once again, and if you're new here, please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.